Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your Surface Pro. Plug in power and save open work because drivers may reload. Once ready, open Start and type Device Manager. Press Enter so you land directly on the management console. In Device Manager, expand Human Interface Devices to reveal items like HID-compliant touchscreen. This first step locates the exact driver entry you will disable. You need that specific device selected before making any changes. You now disable the touch input. Right-click the HID-compliant touchscreen entry and choose Disable Device, then confirm when Windows asks. Make sure to check for multiple HID-compliant touchscreen entries and repeat. Some Surface models list more than one. Disabling stops touch input, but leaves the driver installed so you can restore it later. If you see a yellow warning, stop and double-check you targeted the touchscreen device rather than a critical input device. Once done, test touch input by tapping the screen. If it still responds, reboot to ensure Windows applies the change. If touch is gone, you're finished. To restore, open Device Manager, right-click the same HID entry and choose Enable Device. If disabling fails or breaks input, run Windows Update and reinstall the HID-compliant touchscreen driver. That often fixes driver corruption. Make sure to keep a keyboard or mouse handy in case you need to navigate while touch is disabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.